the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet that supports life. It is a fascinating and diverse planet with a wide range of ecosystems and environments, from the lush rainforests to the barren deserts. The planet has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers and a mass of 5.97 trillion kilograms. It is composed of several layers, including the crust, mantle, and core. The atmosphere of Earth is composed of several gases, including nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, which support life and protect the planet from harmful radiation. Forests. Forests are one of the most important and biodiverse ecosystems on our planet, providing a home for countless species of plants and animals. These ecosystems are vital to the health of our planet, playing a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate, absorbing carbon dioxide, and producing oxygen. They cover about 31% of the Earth's land area and are home to more than 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Forests are also home to a vast array of wild animals, ranging from small insects to large mammals. These animals play a key role in maintaining the balance of nature within the forest ecosystem. For example, bees and other pollinators help to ensure the diversity of plant life, while predators such as wolves and wildcats help to control the population of prey species. African safaris are a unique and exciting adventure that provide an opportunity to see some of the most magnificent wild animals in the world up close. From the majestic elephants and lions to the swift cheetahs and elegant antelopes, the African savanna is home to a diverse range of animal species that inspire awe. Known as the king of the jungle, these powerful cats are synonymous with strength, courage, and royalty. They are also one of the most iconic and recognizable animals in the world, with their distinctive manners and ferocious roars. Lions are native to Africa and can be found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and even some forested areas. They are the only truly social cats, living in prides that can range in size from just a few individuals to over 30. Prides are typically made up of related females, their cubs, and a few dominant males who protect the pride and mate with the females. Despite their reputation as fearsome predators, lions spend a lot of their time sleeping and resting, conserving their energy for hunting. When they do hunt, they rely on their incredible speed and strength to take down prey, which can range from small animals like rabbits and birds to large mammals like zebras, wildebeest, and even buffalo. One of the most recognizable features of lions is their monays, which are unique to males and serve as a sign of their dominance and health. A lion's mane can range in color from blonde to black, and the fuller and darker the mane, the more attractive the lion is to potential mates. Unfortunately, lions are also one of the most threatened large cats in the world, with their populations declining due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. It is estimated that there are fewer than 20,000 lions left in the wild, making them vulnerable to extinction. One of the most impressive birds of prey in the world. These majestic birds are known for their sharp talons, powerful beaks, and keen eyesight, which make them incredibly efficient predators. They are also symbols of freedom, strength, and courage in many cultures around the world. Eagles are found on every continent except for Antarctica, and there are over 60 species of eagles in the world. These birds are known for their large size, with some species having wingspans of up to 8 feet. They are also known for their incredible speed and agility in flight, which they use to hunt for prey. Eagles are apex predators, which means they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. They primarily feed on fish, small mammals, and other birds, and they are known for their ability to swoop down and grab their prey with their powerful talons. One of the most impressive things about eagles is their keen eyesight. They have the ability to spot prey from over a mile away, and their eyesight is so sharp that they can see details that are invisible to humans. This incredible vision is due in part to the fact that eagles have a higher density of light-sensitive cells in their eyes than humans do. Despite their impressive abilities, eagles are facing a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing birds and ensure that they continue to play their important role in their ecosystems. Giraffes are truly one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. These majestic animals are known for their incredibly long necks, which can measure up to 6 feet in length. But giraffes are more than just their necks. They are also known for their unique patterned coats, which are made up of irregular patches of brown and white. Giraffes are native to the African savanna and can be found in several countries across the continent. They are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves from tall trees, which is why their long necks are so important. In fact, giraffes have the ability to reach leaves that are up to 16 feet high. Despite their size, giraffes are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They also have a unique way of defending themselves against predators. If threatened, giraffes will use their powerful legs to kick their attacker with incredible force. Sadly, giraffes are facing a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss and poaching. In fact, there are fewer than 100,000 giraffes left in the wild today. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing animals and ensure that future generations will have the chance to marvel at their beauty and grace. Giraffes are truly remarkable creatures that deserve our admiration and protection. From their long necks to their unique coats, giraffes are a true wonder of the animal kingdom. Butterflies are some of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. They are known for their vibrant colors, unique patterns, and delicate wings that allow them to flutter through the air with ease. These stunning insects go through a complete metamorphosis during their life cycle, which begins as an egg, then hatches into a caterpillar, transforms into a chrysalis, and emerges as a beautiful butterfly. Butterflies are also important pollinators, helping plants reproduce by carrying pollen from one flower to another. This makes them essential to our ecosystem and the survival of many plant species. Unfortunately, many butterfly populations are declining due to habitat loss and pesticide use. Forests are not typically the habitat of cheetahs, as these big cats are known for their speed and agility on open grasslands. However, cheetahs have been known to enter forested areas in search of prey or to find water. When cheetahs do enter a forest, they must navigate the dense undergrowth and obstacles posed by trees and rocks, which can be challenging for a species that typically relies on open spaces for hunting. Cheetahs are incredibly adaptable, and they are able to adjust their hunting strategies to suit their changing environment. In a forest, cheetahs will often seek out areas where they can spot their prey from a distance, such as clearings or riverbanks. They may also use their incredible eyesight to spot prey moving through the trees, and will then give chase, relying on their speed and agility to catch their prey. While cheetahs are not commonly found in forests, they play an important role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem. By hunting herbivores like gazelles and antelopes, Cheetahs help to prevent these animals from overgrazing and damaging the forest ecosystem. Overall, while cheetahs may not be the first animal that comes to mind when thinking of forest habitats, their adaptability and hunting skills allow them to thrive in a variety of environments. Whether they are stalking prey through the open savanna or navigating dense forested areas, cheetahs are an impressive and important part of the animal kingdom. Woodpeckers. Fascinating birds that are found throughout the world, with over 200 different species. These birds are known for their distinctive behavior of pecking on trees, which is used for a variety of purposes, such as finding food, communicating with other woodpeckers, and creating nesting sites. One of the most interesting things about woodpeckers is their ability to peck on trees without injuring themselves. This is because they have a unique adaptation in their skull that acts as a shock absorber, which prevents any damage to their brain. In fact, this adaptation has been studied by scientists for its potential use in designing better helmets for humans. Another fascinating aspect of woodpeckers is their diet. While many people assume that they only eat insects, woodpeckers are actually omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including nuts, fruits, and even small mammals like lizards and mice. Woodpeckers are also known for their distinctive calls, which can be heard from long distances. These calls are used for communication between woodpeckers, as well as to establish territory and attract mates. Unfortunately, some species of woodpeckers are facing threats to their survival, such as habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these birds and their habitats, including creating protected areas and restoring degraded forests. One of the most iconic animals of the African savanna, known for their striking black and white stripes that make them instantly recognizable. These beautiful equines belong to the horse family and are native to the grasslands of Africa. There are three species of zebras: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the Grevy's zebra. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that allow it to survive in its specific habitat. The most distinctive feature of zebras is their black and white stripes, which cover their entire body, including their mane, tail, and legs. Scientists still debate the purpose of these stripes, but recent studies have suggested that they may serve as a form of camouflage, confuse predators, or help to regulate body temperature. Zebras are herbivores and primarily feed on grasses and other vegetation. They have evolved to be able to survive in areas with limited water and food, and can go without water for several days if necessary. Their unique digestive system allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from tough, fibrous grasses. Zebras are social animals and live in groups called harems, which consist of one male, several females, and their young offspring. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including neighs, brays, and snorts, as well as body language like ear and tail movements. Despite their seemingly docile nature, zebras are strong and powerful animals capable of defending themselves against predators. They can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and use their strong jaws and sharp hooves to fight off attackers if necessary. Some of the most charismatic and entertaining creatures in the animal kingdom. These small, free rodents are known for their bushy tails, quick movements, and playful behavior. They can be found all around the world, living in forests, parks, and even urban areas. Squirrels are known for their incredible agility and acrobatic abilities. They are able to climb trees, jump from branch to branch, and even run upside down along tree trunks. They use their sharp claws and long, bushy tails to help them balance and navigate their surroundings. In addition to their impressive physical abilities, squirrels are also known for their intelligence. They are able to remember the location of thousands of nuts and seeds that they have hidden away for later. And they are even able to outsmart some bird feeders and other squirrel proofing measures that people put in place. Squirrels are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet includes nuts, seeds, fruits, insects, and even small animals like insects and baby birds. They are able to chew through tough outer shells of nuts with their sharp teeth, and they have a special digestive system that allows them to break down cellulose, a tough plant material that many other animals can't digest. Despite their cute and playful appearance, squirrels can also be a nuisance to humans. They can cause damage to gardens, homes, and even electrical wiring. However, there are many humane ways to deter squirrels from areas where they are not welcome, such as using squirrel-proof bird feeders and planting squirrel-resistant plants. Elephants. These massive animals are known for their incredible size, strength, and intelligence. They are also a symbol of wisdom, power, and loyalty in many cultures around the world. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world, with males weighing up to 14,000 pounds and standing over 10 feet all at the shoulder. Despite their size, elephants are also known for their gentle and social nature. They live in herds, led by a matriarch, and they are known to display a wide range of emotions, including joy, grief, and empathy. One of the most impressive things about elephants is their intelligence. They have the largest brains of any an animal, and they are known for their ability to learn and remember complex tasks. They also have a highly developed sense of self-awareness, which is demonstrated by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. Elephants are herbivores, and they eat a variety of plants and fruits. They are able to consume up to 300 pounds of food in a single day, and they use their long trunks and tusks to gather and manipulate their food. Despite their formidable size and strength, elephants are facing a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing animals and ensure that they continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Bees. These are some of the most fascinating insects on the planet, with a highly organized and structured lifestyle that is both efficient and productive. These tiny creatures are responsible for pollinating a significant portion of the world's food crops, making them an essential part of our ecosystem. A bee's life begins as an egg, which hatches into a larvae that is fed a diet of royal jelly by worker bees. As the larvae grow, they go through several molting stages before they finally spin a cocoon around themselves and emerge as a fully formed adult bee. Once they become adults, bees have a highly structured lifestyle that revolves around their role in the hive. Worker bees, which are all female, are responsible for gathering nectar and pollen from flowers, caring for the young, and maintaining the hive. Mala bees, called drones, are only responsible for mating with the queen and do not contribute to the work of the hive. The queen bee is the most important member of the hive, laying up to 2,000 eggs per day and controlling the actions of the other bees. She emits a pheromone that keeps the other bees in line and ensures that the hive functions smoothly. Bees are incredibly efficient at gathering nectar and pollen from flowers, using their long tongues to extract nectar and their hairy bodies to collect pollen. They also communicate with one another through a series of dances and pheromones, which allow them to coordinate their efforts and find the best sources of food. In conclusion, the forests and wildlife showcased in this documentary are a precious treasure that must be protected. They represent a fascinating world full of diversity and beauty, and serve as a home to incredible creatures that bring life and color to our planet. We invite you to dive into the depths of this enchanting world and discover its beauty and wonder. Let us learn more about the delicate balance between plants, animals, and the environment they inhabit. And let us remember our role as humans in preserving these forests and contributing to the conservation of wildlife. Together, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the magnificence of forests and wildlife, and appreciate the importance of protecting and preserving these invaluable ecosystems.